Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a problem that pretty much every single pizza lover has faced. And trust me, this simple kitchen hack is going to completely change how you look at leftovers, especially the crusts.
You know the scene, right? You've just demolished an amazing pizza, and now you're left staring at a plate of these. The cold, hard, kind of sad-looking crusts. Yeah, the part that almost always gets left behind. So what happens to them now?
For way too many of us, this is the end of the road. We're talking about the sad pizza crust, often on a one-way trip to the garbage can.
You're standing there, over the pizza box, and you have this exact moment of decision. Are they trash, or could they be treasure? I mean, do you wrap them up, knowing deep down they'll just turn into rocks in the fridge, or do they go straight into the bin? It seems like a small thing, but it's a classic example of potential food waste.
But what if those crusts weren't trash at all? What if they were actually treasure in disguise? Well, that is exactly where the Remake Hack comes in, and it's a brilliantly simple solution.
The whole idea is just so simple. Don't waste food. Instead of just tossing those crusts out, you can try this Pizza Crunch Remake Hack and turn them into something, well, something amazing.
And what do you get for your efforts? Pizza fries!
And listen, we're not just talking about microwave crusts here. No way. This is a totally new snack. We're talking crunchy, we're talking cheesy, all from something you were literally about to throw away.
Okay, so you're probably thinking, what kind of culinary wizardry does this take? Well, get this, none. The secret is literally just two things, a rolling pin and whatever toppings you happen to love. It's so easy, the original creator joked that even their cat could do it. Seriously.
And it really is that easy. The whole thing breaks down into just 3 super simple steps.
All right, step 1. You gotta flatten those crusts with a rolling pin. This is the absolute key to getting that crispy, almost like a chip texture. Then, step 2. Add your toppings. You can't go wrong with classic cheese and pepperoni, but honestly, go wild with whatever's in your fridge. And finally, step 3. Cook them and enjoy. An air fryer is gonna give you some serious crunch, but a regular oven works perfectly too. You just cook them till they're golden brown, the cheese is all bubbly, when they look absolutely irresistible.
Okay, so let's pull back for a second. What's the real takeaway here? Your cheesy takeaway, if you will.
I mean, the transformation is just incredible, right? You start with these hard, dry crusts that were headed straight for the bin, and you end up with a delicious, crave-worthy snack of cheesy, crunchy pizza fries. It's a total glow-up.
This hack isn't just cool, it's a win on every single level. First off, you're cutting down on food waste, which is awesome for the planet and, let's be real, your wallet. You're also creating a brand new, seriously delicious snack in just a few minutes. And, like we saw, it is ridiculously easy to make. It's just a win-win-win-win.
And what does all of that add up to? Well, it's this number right here. 0. As in, 0 crusts wasted. 0 food just thrown in the trash for no good reason. You've literally turned garbage into a great snack. And that just feels good.
And that really leaves us with one last question, doesn't it? Because this is bigger than just pizza crusts. It's really about changing how we look at leftovers. So I want to know, what other kitchen leftovers? The stale bread, that little bit of rice, those veggies in the back of the fridge. What are you transforming next?